Oh yeah!
We're on a mission to solve super tricky division problems in 60 seconds. Do you think we can do it? Let's go! Challenge 1, 915 divided by 3. On the count of 3, we start. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Go! Step 1, set it up. Draw the division house. Put 915 inside the house. That's the number we're dividing. Put 3 outside the house. That's the number helping us divide. Leave space on the roof for the answer. Step 2, let's solve it fast. How many times does 3 fit into 9? 3 times. Write 3 above the 9 on the roof. 3 times 3 equals 9, so no remainder. Now, let's move to the next number. Number 1. How many times does 3 fit into 1? Wait a second. 3 is bigger than 1. It won't fit even once. That means we put 0 on the roof because 3 can't go into 1. But we're not done. Let's carry the 1 over to the next number, making 15. How many times does 3 fit into 15? 5 times. Write down the 5 on the roof. 3 times 5 equals 15, so no remainder. Boom! The answer is 305. Did we do it in 60 seconds? Oh no, we took a little longer. Let's speed up next time. Next up, 3,982 divided by 5. Ready? Count with me. 1, 2, 3. Go! Draw the division house. 3,982 goes inside. 5 stays outside. How many times does 5 fit into 3? Oh no! 5 is bigger than 3. It won't fit. Write 0 on the roof. Carry the 3 to the next number, making 39. How many times does 5 fit into 39? 7 times. Write 7 on the roof. 7 times 5 equals 35, so 39 minus 35 equals 4 left over. Let's carry that 4 to the next number, making 48. How many times does 5 fit into 48? 9 times. Write 9 on the roof. 9 times 5 equals 45, so 48 minus 45 equals 3 left over. Carry that 3 to the last number, making 32. Now, how many times does 5 fit into 32? 6 times. Write 6 on the roof. 6 times 5 equals 30, so 32 minus 30 equals 2 left over. So, the answer is 796 remainder 2. Did we make it in 60 seconds? Oh, so close. Just a few extra seconds. This time, let's hit the goal. Now, here comes the final challenge, 6,181 divided by 2. Let's do it quietly and super fast. On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Go! Boom! Only 20 seconds. We crushed it. So, our final answer is 3,090 remainder 1. Did you get the same? Wait! I hear some of you saying 309 remainder 1. Let's double check that tricky last step. How many times does to fit into 1? Nope. It doesn't fit at all. So, what do? We write 0 on the roof above the 1. Now, carry the 1 to the end. Oh, there are no more numbers left. That means the 1 becomes our remainder. So, the final answer is 3,090 remainder 1. Woohoo! See you next time for more math fun.